Moscow State University invites new American students to attend our splendid university. American students have many advantages to come to Moscow State University, namely the drinking age. There is no drinking age. In fact, it is a requirement that you drink at young age vodka, so your blood does not freeze. Unlike in famous UCLA, here you have refreshing snow and cold most of the year. But drink vodka and you don't notice and you feel warm all over. Your grade point never slips below 4.0, again like in America, but our professors accept American dollars and other special gifts to make your parents proud of you. Age of sexual consent is only 16, so don't ever ask for ID at famous Russian vodka parties. Admission standards are very low for Americans, but if you're really stupid, just see Boris and he will find a way to get you admitted. In Moscow State, you will learn the national culture, binge drinking. In business, you will learn the art of salesmanship. In science, you will learn how to make your own nuclear, biological, and chemical weapons of mass destruction for your own amusement. In engineering programs, you will learn how to build solid structures. In sports, you will learn how to wrestle with strong Russians. After graduating, our placement office will get you a high-paying career in the hospitality business. Learn at our famous American music program. All high school students who visit our campus will get a free bottle of Russian vodka, a case with beer, and underage girls. And don't forget your Lenin and Marx pins and wear it like proud Russian. Change your life. Come to Moscow State.